With sorting activity blocks in Rise 360, learners can test their knowledge by dragging and dropping items into different categories. The sorting activities are ungraded, but learners see feedback as soon as they drop items into categories. A check mark appears when an item is dropped on a correct target, then the item disappears. If a learner drops an item on the incorrect target, it momentarily shakes before returning to its starting position so they can try again. Once they're finished, they'll see how many they got right on the first attempt. Let's take a look at how to build these sorting activities in Rise 360. To insert a sorting activity block, come down here to the block shortcut bar and click sorting. And you get a couple categories here to start along with 2 items. Let's go ahead and modify the drag items and categories. So come up here to the top left and click edit. Now you have 2 categories to begin with, and if you want to add more, you can click new category. Just give it a new name. And if you ever want to delete any of them, you just click the trash can icon in the top right corner. Let's go ahead and begin by renaming our categories. So category 1, we'll call this optional stuff. And for category 2, required items. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple items here for the optional stuff. So I'm just going to select the item in this first one. And to add a second item, I just click add item. Okay, we'll add a couple items here for required. So I'm just going to make a selection around item 2. And we'll go ahead and add another one. And let's add a third item. Okay, and come to think of it, I don't need this third category, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete that. And let's go ahead and preview our activity. And let's go ahead and preview our interaction. So click preview. And we'll scroll down. And we just need to drag and drop each of these into the correct category. And that's how easy it is to test learners' knowledge with the sorting activity blocks in Rise 360.